Adjectives that describe nature and the environment. Lush, it means rich with greenery, barren. It means empty, lacking life. Scenic, it means beautiful, picturesque. Verdant, it means fresh and green. Arid, it means dry, lacking water. Pristine, it means pure, untouched. Rugged, it means rough, uneven, serene. It means calm, peaceful. Fertile, it means rich for growing. Parched, it means extremely dry. Majestic, it means grand, impressive. Foggy, it means covered in mist. Blooming, it means full of flowers. Overcast, it means cloudy. Gray sky, brisk, it means cool and refreshing. Chilly, it means slightly cold. Crisp, it means cool, fresh air. Polluted, it means contaminated, dirty. Vast, it means very large, expansive. Damp, it means slightly wet. Gloomy, it means dark, depressing, sustainable. It means eco-friendly, lasting. Tranquil, it means peaceful, undisturbed. Renewable, it means naturally replenished. Breezy, it means windy, refreshing. Stifling, it means uncomfortably hot. Unspoiled, it means pure, not damaged.